Hello friends, welcome back to my cravings. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make Caribbean jerk chicken. We're going to start with some chicken thighs that I've washed and dried. And now I'm going to be adding some Caribbean jerk seasoning by McCormick. This is their perfect pinch line. I'm also going to be adding some ground black pepper, just a little bit. And for our wet Jamaican jerk seasoning, we're using Grace, and I'm using their mild flavored one. They do have a medium and they also have hot. I like spice, but not too much, but just know that you do have that option, guys. So we've seasoned our chicken on both sides with our dry rub, and now we're adding our wet marinade. And although I'm not marinating this chicken for hours or even overnight, trust me when I tell you it will be perfect. All right, the next thing I like to do is I like to add just a little bit of olive oil. This gives the chicken extra flavor, and it also keeps the chicken from sticking to the pan. So with the back of your spoon, make sure that you've got every nook and cranny with that oil and that marinade, okay? So this is the back side of the chicken. We want to flip it over again and do the same thing to the top. Now to a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. And that's it, guys. Perfect chicken. Now I was craving burritos, so I'll show you how I assemble those. Right, so flour tortillas, a little bit of sour cream. This is going to hold our ingredients together. Alright, so just spread it like so. As you can see, I have some rice and peas. I was going to share with you guys the video of how I made this, but instead I'm going to let the wonderful person that created get all the credit for it. Of course, I am going to share the link in the description box. This rice was really good and easy to make. It is made with coconut milk, which is delicious because it adds sweetness to this dish. And that jerk seasoned chicken is kind of salty, briny, and it also has that spice. Oh my gosh, such a good bite. Of course, we had to finish this with some cheese, so I'm adding a Mexican blend. All right, that's gonna give us that ooey gooey taste that we love so much. All right, guys, now for the fold. I did a bunch of these, and the more I did, the better I got, guys. So basically, you're going to create an envelope, folding the sides and then the bottom, and then just roll it tightly, and you will end with the seam side down. All right, now to a hot pan with just a little bit of oil. We're basically just going to cook our tortilla so that it's kind of crispy on the outside. And that is it, guys. All right, now I've cut it open like this so you guys can see how delicious everything looks. I hope you guys try this recipe. It is absolutely delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.